John Felix Anthony Cena, born April 23, 1977, is an American actor, retired professional wrestler, writer, and former rapper. Widely regarded as one of the greatest professional wrestlers of all time for WWE, he remains signed with the company as a brand ambassador as of December 2025. He is best known for his in-ring career from 2001 to 2025, where he is recognized by WWE as a record 17-time world champion. Cena began professional wrestling in 1999 and signed with the World Wrestling Federation in 2001, where he began in its then developmental territory, Ohio Valley Wrestling (OVW), after debuting on the main roster on SmackDown. In 2002, he rose to prominence as a brash, heel rapper before becoming the company's franchise player from the mid-2000s to the mid-2010s. He wrestled on a part-time schedule from 2017 until his retirement in 2025. His run as a face from 2003 to 2025 was the longest continuous portrayal of a heroic character in WWE history. Cena held numerous championships and accomplishments in WWE, including the WWE Championship a record 14 times, the Now Defunct World Heavyweight Championship 3 times, the WWE United States Championship 5 times, the WWE Intercontinental Championship once, the Now Defunct World Tag Team Championship twice, and the WWE Tag Team Championship twice. He is the 35th Triple Crown and 25th Grand Slam champion, won the Royal Rumble match twice, the Money in the Bank match once, and headlined multiple major WWE pay-per-view and live streaming events, including its flagship event, WrestleMania 6x22, 23, 27, 28, 29, and 41, Night 2. Cena's full-time career received mixed critical and audience reception, with praise for his character work and promotional skills, but criticism for his perceived overrepresentation and on-screen dominance relative to other wrestlers. In contrast, his later career was more positively received. Cena began acting in 2006 and has done both comedy and action films, receiving praise for his roles in Trainwreck in 2015, Blockers in 2018, and The Suicide Squad in 2021. He has also starred in films such as The Marine in 2006, Bumblebee in 2018, and F9 in 2021, as well as portraying the title character in the superhero series Peacemaker 2002-2005. In music, he released the rap album You Can't See Me in 2005, which peaked at No. 15 on the Billboard 200. Cena is also known for his charity work, granting more than 650 wishes for the Make-A-Wish Foundation, the most in the organization's history. John Felix Anthony Cena was born in West Newbury, Massachusetts, on April 23, 1977. To Carol and John Joseph Cena, he has four brothers named Dan, Matt, Steve, and Sean. Their maternal grandfather was baseball player Tony Luppy, a son of businessman Ulysses J. Luppy, and the brothers are cousins of computer scientist Natalie Enright Jerger. Cena was educated at Central Catholic High School in Lawrence, Massachusetts, before moving to Cushing Academy in Ashburnham, Massachusetts. He then attended Springfield College in Springfield, Massachusetts, where he was an NCAA Division III All-American center and football team captain. After graduating in 1999 with a degree in exercise physiology and kinesiology, he pursued a bodybuilding career and worked as a limousine driver. He also worked at Gold's Gym. Legacy. Cena has been called the greatest professional wrestler of all time by his peers Kurt Angle, John Bradshaw Layfield, and veteran industry personality Paul Heyman. Timothy Bella of the New York Times described Cena as perhaps the last of the monocultural, crossover stars, following the likes of Hulk Hogan, Stone Cold Steve Austin, and The Rock. WWE Chairman Vince McMahon said he regarded Cena as the WWE's Babe Ruth. Bleacher Report named Cena one of the 10 greatest WWE wrestlers of all time. Shawn Michaels' one-hour-long match on WWE Raw in April 23, 2007 against Cena is touted as one of the best matches in history. And Michaels said that after a fortnight WWE tour in the United Kingdom, he did not want to do the match with anyone else other than him. In 2012, WrestleMania 28, headlined by the John Cena vs. The Rock main event, became the highest drawing event in WWE history with 1,217,000 buys. The event held the record for the highest grossing live event in WWE history in 2012, grossing $8.9 million, before being surpassed by WrestleMania 29 the following year, also headlined by Cena vs. Rock. Philanthropy. Cena has granted over 650 wishes for children with life-threatening illnesses through the Make-A-Wish Foundation, the most in Make-A-Wish history. With his first wish dating back to 2002, the Guinness Book of World Records confirmed that not only had Cena granted this many wishes by mid-2022, but that second place was fewer than 200. In 2009, Cena received the Chris Gracious Celebrity Award. From late 2011 until WrestleMania 28, Cena wore a black Rise Above Hate t-shirt promoting WWE's Be a Star anti-bullying campaign. In September and October 2012, Cena wore pink and black with the phrase Rise Above Cancer in partnership with Susan G. Komen for the Cure as part of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Cena made a $1 million donation to Black Lives Matter in June 2020 as part of the hashtag #MatchMILLION initiative made popular by K-pop band BTS. Books. Cena also wrote a children's book called Elbow Grease with illustrations by Howard McWilliam. In popular culture, his catchphrase, "You can't see me," originates from 2003 when Cena was producing his new theme song, during which he was dared by his little brother to do the yayo dance on TV, which consists of moving your head while looking into the palm of your hand. Cena accepted the dare, but did it in reverse by waving his hand in front of his face instead to make it look more visible to his brother. Over time, this evolved into his signature catchphrase, "You can't see me." Personal life, Cena resides in Land O'Lakes, Florida. He has often said that he does not want children because he would not want to be an absentee parent due to focusing on his career. He is a supporter of New England-based sports teams such as the Boston Celtics and New England Patriots, and enjoys reading in his spare time. Cena revealed on an episode of The Joe Rogan Experience he is a fan of the computer game Roller Coaster Tycoon and used to play the game on his laptop during the early years of his career while traveling on the WWE bus. Relationships. Cena was in a romantic relationship with fellow wrestler Mickie James from 2007 to 2008, which was incorporated by WWE into an on-screen storyline. While promoting his 2009 film 12 Rounds, Cena announced his engagement to Elizabeth Huberto. They were married on July 11, 2009. Cena filed for divorce on May 1, 2012, which was finalized on July 18th. Later in 2012, Cena began dating fellow wrestler Nikki Bella. They became engaged on April 2, 2017. When Cena proposed to her at WrestleMania 33, but ended their relationship in April 2018. They had been planning to marry the following month, on May 5th. Cena began dating engineer Shari Otzid in early 2019, and they were married on October 12, 2020, in a private ceremony in Tampa, Florida. The two had met during the production of Cena's 2019 film Playing with Fire, which was filmed in Vancouver, where Shari Otzid was working. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.